Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's video, I'm going to address how to fix Samsung dishwasher is not turning on. So in order to troubleshoot this problem, what you can do is you can simply touch power on the dishwasher. So the dishwasher has a power button that has to be pressed before a cycle can be selected or started. Also, if your hands are wet or soapy, it may not recognize that it has been touched. So make sure that your hands are dry when you touch the buttons on the control panel. Secondly, you just have to check the circuit breaker. So if you see one, flip the circuit all the way off and back on again. If it continues to trip, you need to just contact an electrician to diagnose the issue. Then you need to check the switch near the dishwasher. So most newer homes have a switch on the wall in the kitchen near the dishwasher. So this switch turns the power on and off for the dishwasher. So if your home has this switch, you need to verify it is in the on position. So if the dishwasher still doesn't turn on, you can visit the support center to request a service. So these are some of the things that you can try, and if none of the methods isn't working for you, you can just contact with the customer service executive from Samsung. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.